Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Generation Oldschool. If this is your first time passing by the channel, my name is William. On this video, we're gonna be installing wraparound bumper guards on a 1950 Chevy Fleetline. Many of you guys probably don't know what the wraparound bumpers are, and it is an accessory that people were able to order back in the 1950s, and it's this bumper guard. This is called a bumper guard. It goes right here on the front bumper. You also have another one for the rear. And today we're gonna be installing this dealer accessory that, again, people were able to buy in the 1950s for their classic cars to be able to add a layer of protection to the front bumper as well as the front fender. In case they were involved in an accident, they wouldn't cause any damage to the actual body of the car. If you like classic cars, my name is William. This is Generation Oldschool. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and leave a comment what you think. Does it look better with the original bumper, or is it gonna look better with the wraparound bumper guards? So like I was telling you, the first thing that we need to do is remove the bolts that we have in the back. This process shouldn't take, hopefully, no more than 10 minutes per side. Let me know in the comments if you think it looks better without the bumper guards, maybe a much cleaner look, or if you think it's gonna look better with the bumper guards installed. So there are two sets, one for the front and one for the rear. This is the one for the front driver's side. Let's go ahead and put it on. And then we'll clean it up and we polish it a little because it's dirty. These things online, they sell for close to $2,000. I had this for a long time from another car that I used to have. So now that I have this Fleetline, I'm going to be installing it on this one because this car came with no bumper guards. There you go. So this one is already in. There you go. That was quick. Let me know what you guys think so far. I like it. It looks better. Another thing that I'm probably gonna be doing to this car is adding the flying bird hood ornament. Because I don't like the one that it has right now. The one that it has right now is too plain. All right, so this one is put on already. Let me know what you guys think. Now, let's go do the one in the back. But that's how it looks. Let's do the same thing in the one in the rear. The one in the front and the one in the rear are completely different. Of course, you will be able to tell once you have them in front of you. The process is pretty much the same. Another thing that I would like to put on this car is the bar that goes here from side to side, the high bar. I used to have one of those, but I sold it and I completely regret it. That's why I started to keep many accessories for these cars, because, you know, if you don't need it now, eventually you're gonna need them in the future. And this one goes over here. You want to make sure that the bolts are tight. You don't want them falling while you drive. That one is on. All right, and that's how you install bumper guards in a 1950 Chevy Fleetline or any 1949 through 1954 Chevy, even though the guards are different from model to model and from year to year, it's pretty much the same concept. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna do the other side and I'm gonna show you how it looks with the 4 bumper guards put on. But let me know in the comment section below, what do you think? Do you like him with the plain bumper, maybe a cleaner look, or do you think it looks nice with the bumper guards? I think it looks really nice with the bumper guards, especially if it has the visor, the vent shades, the bumper guards add up and makes the car look more complete. So let me know in the comment section. Again, I'm gonna put the other side. That way you guys can see how it looks with the full set of wraparound bumper guards put on. By the way, that's a 1956 Buick that we have for sale. So if there's anybody interested in a 56 Buick, we're asking $20,000 for that one, and you could give us a call, 305-783-0755. $20,000, 1956 Buick Special 4-door hardtop, VA, power steering, and power brakes. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And let me know what you think of the wraparound bumper guards. Do you like them or do you hate them? I think it looks way better with the bumper guards, not only the ones in the rear, but also the ones in the front. Let me know what you guys think. I love it. I honestly do. Give me a call if anybody's interested in this car. 56 Buick, 4-door hardtop, original 322 nail head VA, generator, 2-barrel carburetor. Runs really good. This car runs and drives good. So if anybody's interested, 305-783-0755, 20 grand. I can help with transportation and shipping anywhere in the United States. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you, and God bless you.